if you own a multifamily property, do you need separate LLCs for each unit? And the answer again is no. And the answer also might be, this may not even be possible. For example, if you have a duplex or a quadplex, you cannot legally divide that up into separate properties that can be pulled out into different LLCs. So in that case, you wouldn't do that. Likewise, if you have an apartment complex, let's say that you have 3 apartment buildings, you might be able to put each separate apartment building into an LLC, but you're not going to be able to do one building in multiple LLCs. But when you're starting to deal with multi-unit properties, you really should be talking to an attorney about setting up a holding company structure. So please talk to me. And here's why. Because what happens is, first of all, multi-unit properties have multiple levels of risk. So if you have a single family house, then yeah, a lot of things can go wrong. But if you have a duplex, well, now you've got twice as many things that can go wrong. If you've got an eightplex, 8 times as many. And so at that point, you're at the point where separating your risks into an LLC becomes more alluring because you might have bigger problems than your insurance will cover. And then likewise, if you have multiple apartment buildings or multiple units, you're going to want to segment them away from each other so that a lawsuit that deals with one cannot affect your real estate that's in the other LLC. So if you have only one multi-unit property like a duplex, you're just going to have it in either one LLC or in your own name. But if you have multiple multi-unit properties, or if your multi-unit property can be divided into multiple legal descriptions, so you have multiple deeds, then yeah, you might want to think about that. Thank you, Nicole.